Here I've got fake iPhone XS, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch off your phone, just tap on power key and volume down keys and slide to power off. Once it's off, it's time to open the boot mode, so just tap on power key and volume down key and hold them, power key and volume up key and hold them for about 3-5 seconds until you are in bootload menu. You will notice it in the middle of the screen. Here we've got it. And now you have to select the recovery mode, which is the first option. So select this by tapping on volume up key and then pick it by tapping on volume down key. Then you will be able to perform a wipe cache partition through the recovery mode. Now, as you can see, here is the Android logo. Just tap on power key and volume up key all together, and now go to the by using the volume up and down keys, select wipe cache partition option and select it by tapping on power key. And within a few seconds it will wipe all the data. Actually, it's completed, so you can see the notification here, and it's time to reboot your system. Now you can obviously select the last option, which is power off. Let me show you. The last one is power off, so we can also use it, but we recommend rebooting system now. So just select it by tapping on power key. And now just wait until it's on. Your device will just switch on, and you will be able to start using it normally, but all the cache partition will be wiped. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.